Hello, viewers. How are you all? Hope you all doing fine. Today we brought a very exciting recipe of very easy to make momos at home in microwave, which are suitable for vegan and vegetarian. Do not have any onion and garlic, so you can make it even with a few ingredients in a facility where there is no proper cooking facilities like in a lodge or a hostel, and people who are away from home. So for the ingredients, the list is given. All you have to do is just slice the cabbage and the carrot and the capsicum and little bit of green chili and coriander, thinly sliced. You can either grate them or slice them, up to you, but we have shown what we did. And once you've done that, just keep everything in a bowl. Mix 1 teaspoon of red chili and 1 teaspoon of cracked pepper and mix it well. Viewers, I must tell you that this in this recipe I only made 20 momos, so the dough batch is different. It's only for 20, whereas the filling you can use it for up to about 50 small momos. So you mix just the two ingredients first, and the red chili and the black pepper, and keep it aside. Do not put salt in the beginning, because put it only in the end, just before filling, just because so that it doesn't give out any water. Along with other things, you also have to put half a cup each of corn, frozen corn and frozen peas. Wash them well and toss them into the same mixture. After doing that, let's go to the dough. For dough, I just took 200 grams of flour. My cup was 200 grams, and then I used half a teaspoon of salt and no oil, and just some water. And you have to knead the dough really well, so that it is semi-soft, like it's neither too soft nor too hard. And you also have to rest the dough in the end. After you make it, just oil it and rest it for 10 minutes. So the total quantity of the water used was about 150 mils at the max, or maybe between 100 mils. It depends on your dough. If your flour actually soaks a lot of water, then it will obviously take more water. So I am telling you an approximate amount of water here. You go by how the texture is. The texture should neither be too soft nor too hard. Oil it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. And then after that, after kneading it well and keeping it aside, we will start rolling small balls, and I'll show you in a minute how to do that. Yeah, for viewers, for the rolling, I use paper, food paper. You can use any other thing underneath, like a board or something if you have one, but I didn't have a big board, so I used paper. Or you can just clean your surface, like a table or something where you only do rolling. Then obviously you can clean and roll it there. The idea is to roll a big chapati, a big film, which you can you have to roll it until you can see your fingers through it, or the surface through it. So and then once it's rolled, you can cut it into small portions with anything like edges of a glass, katori, or a cap. I use cap. So once all the portions are ready, let's start filling them up. But just before that, we have to put salt in it. You use salt according to your taste. I used about, for this entire filling, for 50 momos, I used about 2.5 teaspoons of salt, but you can make it less or more according to how you like it. You must remember not to put the salt earlier and put it only in the end, because that way the mixture doesn't give out water, otherwise your momos will break up. So now we start making the momos. We just put 2 to 3 teaspoons only of the filling, or whatever your momos can take, this depending on the size. You have to put only as much filling as it won't break. That's it. So you just for locking it, just twist it on the top and taper it. And the momos which I made really looked nice, and they were yummy. The trick is to make, when you're rolling the chapati, make sure that the base of the main body of the chapati is a little bit thicker than the edges. That way your momos, when you make them into portions, they won't break. So see, viewers, all the momos are ready, and we are ready to place them in the microwave. For the microwaving, before putting them in the microwave, you must put 2 tablespoons of water in it and space them out. I mean, my container could only take 6 spaced out momos, but if your container is a little bit bigger or your microwave is bigger, you can even put more, 7 to 8, but there should be space in between. The heat I used was medium high. You can use according to the heat your microwave would take. And also I kept it for 6 minutes, but you can increase and decrease the temperature depending on the timings and the temperature of your microwave. Thank you and have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Do leave your feedback, and kindly share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye.